Hey everybody, have you ever thought you could turn your puzzle-solving skills into real cash? Well, let me introduce you to Jewel App Win Real Money Games, the ultimate puzzle game that not only challenges your brain, but also fills your wallet. In a world where gaming and earning collide, Jewel App stands out with an impressive rating of 4.7 stars from nearly 4,000 reviews. And yes, over 10,000 downloads don't lie. People are loving it. Now you might be wondering, how does it all work? It's simple and fun. Just dive into the vibrant world of jewel matching. The rules: match jewels, score points, and climb up the levels. As you get better, the stakes get higher, and so do the rewards. And the best part, these aren't just virtual coins or points, we're talking about real cash rewards. You heard that right. Each level you conquer increases your chances to earn cash prizes, and managing your earnings is a breeze. When you're ready to cash out, just transfer your winnings directly to your PayPal account. Safe, secure, and swift. Real cash in your pocket, hassle-free. So whether you're in a queue, on a lunch break, or simply lounging at home, why not make your time profitable and enjoyable? With Jewel App, you're not just playing, you're earning. And remember, the more you play, the more you can win. So, don't wait up. Download Jewel App today, start matching those jewels, and watch your earnings grow. Before you go, don't forget to like this video and hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for more awesome ways to earn real money while having a total blast. Thanks for watching, and let's get earning. And hey, check out the leaderboard to see how top players are raking in the cash. We'll also be sharing tips and tricks to help you maximize your earnings. Join our community of players who share strategies and celebrate wins together. Don't forget to share your success stories in the comments below. We love hearing from you, so what are you waiting for? Download Jewel App now and start your journey to earning real cash today.